Okay, welcome to the personal property tour for Freedom Villa, Promenade in Leven. Yep, Promenade, which means we've got a fantastic view right in front of me. Wait till I show you this. This is a fantastic 4-bedroom, 2-reception, 2-bathroom, detached property. Massive inside. Potential to convert the attic, and it has a driveway to the rear for off-street parking, and then it also has the driveway to the front with a garage right here as well for a single garage with off-street parking at the front as well. You can get access in. So it goes right between Forth and Promenade itself. Let me just show you your views. A bit overcast just now, but look at these views as we look around. Right across, I could see Largo in the distance. I can see over to Shell Bay, and I'm going round. I can see right across to the Bass Rock. I can see North Berwick. I can see Berwick Law. I can see an oil rig. And then I can see right over to Leith as well. So a fantastic opportunity. Get down there on a jet ski, get down there on a kayak. There's a ramp over there. I can take jet skis, kayaks and boats down into the water if you want, or open water swimming's your thing, that's it as well. You've got this massive front garden to the front here. You've got access, as I said, off the front road there into your single garage, and you've got a bit of parking to the front as well. You've got access around the side of the house to the rear, and we'll go around there in a minute. But this sits in the sun all day long. The sun is round about, we're sitting at 2 o'clock, we're round about here, so literally sun's going to come up here, it travels all the way around and goes down over here somewhere. So that's why that seat, see that seat there, is sitting right there, because somebody hides there when they get the opportunity and a cup of tea behind that hedge and sit in the sun towards the evening. Or you can just go right out into the beach. Let me just show you the property. Let's get to the front and see if I can get this all in this one shot. Look at that, look at the size, look at the size of that property all the way round. Now you'll see an aerial photograph in the photographs as well, so don't despair. You'll see an aerial photograph. You've got a porch, you've more or less got a sunroom to the front, so there's probably 3 receptions to be honest. And then you've got my car to the rear, you can see parked there, so that's the bit that comes off Forth with the drive and the 2 parking spaces to the rear. And you get access to the rear as well. But we're going to go in the front door this time. So into the front, as I said, this is quite a big area, and you could probably get a wee suite in here and a couple of chairs, and when it gets a wee bit more overcast in the front out there, then you could just leave your barbecue there to simmer away while you sit under cover in here. Brilliant, isn't it? Now let's go in the front door into here. So good sized reception hall as you come in. Let's go upstairs first and we'll talk about the 3 bedrooms and bathroom upstairs and the attic room as well. Now I see this nice, there's a few original features here. Some original features we go down, so this nice timber balustrade going all the way around there, sweeping up that staircase. And this sweeps up as well. And then you've got this, I've got a funny feeling that's an original to this property. That stained glass window. You don't really get them very much anymore. It's difficult to actually find them because it's a lot of years that they take wear and tear, and that's why they're no longer here sometimes. And as we come up to the front top landing, attic room. I'll see you there in a couple of seconds and tell you all about that. Wait till you see the views. Okay, so here we are up in the attic room. But let me show you this space. This is a real good sized space, and it's got a Velux window overlooking the sea. Wait till you see this view. So it could be repurposed for something, definitely, if you can do something with this. So real good size, as you see, you can go around. You can easily stand up in here. I'm standing up right now. So there's plenty of space, there's power in here as well. But there's the view. Look at that. What an amazing view. That's unbelievable. Right across there. So that's literally the view you've got. There's where we came in, through that access, through the Ramsay ladder there, and then back down into the lower hall. So I'll see you down there in a couple of seconds. And here we are, back down. So let me take you on the tour and continue this. As we go through, cupboard to the side for plenty of storage there. You've got your main bathroom upstairs. You have a shower room downstairs as well. So you've got your bath, you've got your sink, plenty of space. I've got a funny feeling that's a steam cabinet as well as a shower in there as well. So real good size. As we come into the side room here, got a good sized double bedroom here. A good size, massive double bedroom to be honest. As we go around. So huge double bedroom. And then we've got another huge double bedroom across here. But the thing I love about this is look at these panoramic views out of that bay window to the front. That's what I love about this, the quirkiness. Now the rain has just come on just now. What's the chances of that? I've just missed it, thank goodness for that. And we could possibly see, as we look over into there, right across the coastline going up to Ely, to Shell Bay. And then as I said, over there, over the water as well. But I tell you what, when the sun comes out here, it's absolutely glorious. Even when it rains, it's absolutely glorious, to be honest, as well. And then over here as well, we've got plenty of space all the way around. Love that picture rail and your cornice. And then across to the side, we've got the final double bedroom up here. As you'll see, again, that view to the front. And then built-in wardrobes as well. Let's pop downstairs. Love that window. And we'll go out towards the back and then work our way around to the main front again. So shower room down here. So good sized shower room, you can see the WC in that there in the sink, and you've got your shower enclosure. And as we walk through the back, you've got a laundry room off to the side, so a wee laundry area, condenser boilers in that cupboard. You've got a big space, a big cupboard there for storage to the rear, to be honest. So you could probably do something with that as well, or you can just keep it as it is. Nice welcoming hall off the rear of the house as we come through, and then you come into this massive reception area. This could be a perfect family room. Huge in terms of the size. And then let me show you, so there's the parking out to the rear. So I can get my car comfortably, you can get another car comfortably, and just down the bottom of there is View Forth, the street where you actually come in for the rear parking over here as well. Okay, so let me just take you then back into the property. This is a nice huge area here. As we come back through, off to my left-hand side, we have more or less the dining kitchen. I mean, it has that wee table and the chairs are sitting out there, but you could probably take that away and comfortably get a six chairs and a table in the middle of that, and still have plenty of space all the way around for that worktop. Fridge and freezer, you've got the oven, you've got the dishwasher, you've got the hob and extractor above as well, microwave in there. But good sized kitchen, it's all about the space. Perfect family home for someone, by the way. And then off to the side here, understairs cupboard. Off to the side here, we have another good sized double bedroom. So this is the fourth one. And then built-in wardrobes in there. Freestanding to a degree, so you could probably take them away if you want. Entirely up to yourself to do. And then into your main living room, sitting room to the front. Again, beautiful cornice, ceiling rose as we go round. And you've got that bay window again. Brilliant, eh? Absolutely brilliant. What a room. What a room. Unbelievable. Okay, let me take a seat and I'll talk to you about everything. And I'll just recap and we'll go through stuff. Okay, so as you can see, 4 bedroom, 2 reception, possibly 3 if you use that front area as the sunroom, as I talked about, especially on the day, the rain's just come on. If you had a barbecue at the front, you can close it up, keep the barbecue going, and you can sit in there and wait for it to simmer and cook away, and then have a wee barbecue inside at the front. So it could be perfect for that as well. So again, it's all to the front. You've got the sun sitting on the front all day long, more or less. You've got these beautiful views out to the front. Where is it in proximity to everything else? Well, you can see straight away, it's Coastal Path's just across the road. You're literally on it. So the Fife Coastal Path, as you can walk along. Stunning beach as you go along. If you want to see a beach in full glory, check out the location footage for the Fife Coastal Path I've put on here. You go right along from the very beginning where the train station is now and the swimming pool just along the other side, nearby actually. Train station's just round the corner. It takes you straight into Waverley in Edinburgh as well. So if you work remotely and you're living in Edinburgh now, this could be the perfect property for you for a lifestyle choice. Right next to the beach, open water swimming, jet skis, kayaking, boats. There's a slipway just along the end there. Probably about maybe a couple of 100 yards is a slipway to take everything down into the beach. So beautiful golden sandy beaches. Right along as you go right along, and you see in the drone footage as well, we hit on the left-hand side as you're coming along the beach. You've got the Leven Links golf course. So formerly an open qualifying golf course, 2 golf clubs play it, the Leven Golf and Society and the Leven Thistle as well. You've also got Skinny Golf Course, which is actually up the back of that, which is a municipal public golf course. And then across the Mile Dyke, which is the wall in between, you've got Lud Links Golf Course, Lundy Golf Course. So, easy access into the high street. You just go straight up the road into Mitchell Street there, and you're straight into the high street as well. Cafes, bistros and restaurants all the way round about. The retail park is round the corner, close proximity to us as well. You've got B&Q, you've got Home Bargains, you've got Starbucks, you've got McDonald's, you name it, and that's just next to the train station, just across from the train station as well. And then across the road from that, you've got Sainsbury's. But fantastic local bistros and restaurants about here and right along the coast. If running's your thing, this is for you. If mountain biking's your thing, this is for you. If road cycling's your thing, this is for you. If swimming is your thing, this is definitely the place for you as well. I run, train, cycle, walk, jog, whatever it is, swim in this area all the time and train here for triathlon. It's a great lifestyle choice. Just across the hill, about half an hour, you've got access into the home of golf, St Andrews, and you can come back to the coast here. A better price point than here, isn't it? It's great to go and come back. Okay, so there's, as I said, the drone footage and location footage for anybody that doesn't know the area and just wants to see that bit right along the front, and check out just to your left hand side as you're passing Freedom Villa, which we're sitting in right now. In that footage itself, it's going to blow you away. And even the people that are here will probably look at that and go, wait a minute, is that really Leven? Yeah, it is Leven, definitely. We just don't realise that we've got God's country on our doorstep. If you need more details, just click on the link above or below for the photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can call us on 01333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.